Hello guys, hello, welcome to TikTok. um so TikTok, the act of short form video. Everybody is going on TikTok right now, but few things to know. It's easy to go viral on TikTok. People are making money from TikTok, but you have to define your audience. Basically, if TikTok is for you, if you are someone that sells things that Gen Zs can use a lot, TikTok is the best place for you. But if you're someone that actually sells luxury items in Nigeria, I don't think you have any business being on TikTok. My opinion, though. So, like I said, as social media manager, testing is everything. You might realize that right now it's not really attractive, but before you know it, might start giving you results. So, consider the options. Like I said, consider the options. And if you're someone who likes, if you're someone whose audience are mostly Gen Zs, then TikTok might be the best place for you. Okay? So TikTok might be the best place for you. All right. So now, the next thing for us to do is, so let me open this. Okay. All right. So, what is TikTok? 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 So, TikTok prioritize content. So, how do you actually go on TikTok? Now, the For You page. The For You page prioritize content based on users, interests, engagement. It makes it like a level playing field for creators. So it prioritizes content based on interest and engagement. So if your content is not engaging, it will not be found on the For You page. And TikTok is a dominant platform for Gen Zs and younger audience, like I said before. So I said you have to do your research very well. For me, if I'm selling luxury items like luxury wristwatches and all, yeah, I would be on TikTok, but I would majorly leverage Facebook and Instagram. Mostly Instagram. All right. So how do you crack the TikTok algorithm? What are the key ranking factors? Likes, comments, shares, watch time are crucial. So if people spend a lot of time on your video and they're liking and commenting and sharing, then that is a way to crack the TikTok algorithm. That is a way for your post to go viral. So video information. Does your video contain hashtags, captions, sounds, effects? What are the sounds, effects used? What are your account settings? Are you using trending audios or hashtags? Those are the things that can increase your TikTok visibility. Now, those are the things that can increase your TikTok visibility. See, as social media manager, I always advise you guys, always experiment, test. Nobody has the exact formula. Nobody has the perfect formula. People test, and then when they see what is working, they adopt it. So, your TikTok videos, in a bid to go viral, try to use trending audios, try to use hashtags. I'm going to show you in the next video how to get these trending audios, how to get these trending hashtags. One way to get them is by going through TikTok on its own. TikTok Creative Insights on the app. Just search Creative Insights on TikTok. I'm using my laptop, so it's quite hard. So search what Creative Insights on TikTok, and you will see trending audios, videos that are in your niche that are trending that you can also leverage. So how do we go viral? So I talked about the key ranking factors. So first, you must create high engaging content that encourages viewers to watch till the end. Use trending sound. Participate in challenges. Post consistent and experiment with different formats. Interact with other and build a community. Now, what are the content types on TikTok? What are the major content types on TikTok? We have the short form video. Now we have the tutorials. We even have the pictures now. So pictures too as well. And since it's a new trend, pictures are actually trending right now. So using carousels as you would use for Instagram, but make sure the carousels are very, very helpful. Make sure they are very, very relatable. So challenges, short form video, tutorials, behind the scenes, duets, storytelling. Those are the things that keep people on TikTok. Those are the things that will keep people on the app, and those are the type of content you as a social media manager should be creating for your clients. Now, how do you create viral TikToks? Hook your audience. Grab their attention. Hook is very important. Like I said, hook is important. Even on Instagram, hook is important. Grab attention within the first 3 seconds. Use trending hashtags. Tell a story. Be authentic. Post consistently. Cross post. So share your TikTok on other social media platforms. But the goal is to be authentic, relatable, tell stories, use trending hashtags, be creative. TikTok is a creative app. For you to be able to catch the attentions of Gen Zs, you have to be very, very creative. Now, the first thing I said when I started, you must make sure that your audience are on TikTok. So if you are someone that likes or that has an audience for the Gen Zs, then you should be on TikTok. Now, for someone that is teaching students, obviously I'll be on TikTok as a teacher. I've been seeing this trend of teachers teaching math on TikTok, teaching English on TikTok. If I am a teacher, I will be on TikTok because that is where my audience are. Gen Zs. Basically, my 14-year-old brother has a TikTok account. So if you are someone that is looking to attract the younger generation and Gen Zs, then TikTok is the place for you. Now, I want to talk about a TikTok business account. It is different from a TikTok personal account, but here are some pros and cons. Now, for a business TikTok, you have limited access to the sounds that you can use. You now have something what we call access to common commercial sounds. So there are some original sounds that some influencers may use, but you as a business account owner on TikTok, you may not be able to use that sound. And then the only advantage of having a business account is that even with 5, 6, 7, 8 followers, you can add a link on your bio. But if you have a personal account, you cannot add a link on your bio until you reach 1,000 followers. So you see. But that being said, do not rush to create a TikTok business account, because another advantage is you will be able to run ads. But as far as Nigeria is concerned now, you cannot run TikTok ads. You cannot run TikTok ads. So there will be no need then. So my best advice, except you have specific options, or expect you have your client that are in, in the US or the UK, to be able to access their accounts, you will need VPN. You will need a VPN. If that's the business account, you will need a VPN. But if it's not, you can be able to access it. But if it's a business account that they want to run ads on, you would need a VPN. So that is the difference between a TikTok business account and a personal account. For me, I am okay with a personal account. It's easy to grow, and once you get to 1,000 followers, you can now add a link on your bio. You can now add a link where people will go, or a link on your profile. So people can go, click on the link, and access whatever you want them to access. So guys, that is it for this. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you one valuable tool that I use to get trending audios, trending sounds, trending videos, and learn more about TikTok. See you.